These type of product assembly videos are going viral right now. And today I'm going to show you how to create these type of videos using free AI tools. First, I had created a master prompt for you. You will find its link in description. Copy the whole prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste it here. Then GPT will provide us 10 object ideas. We have to choose from them. For example, I choose camera, so I will type 1. Then GPT will provide us an before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt. Copy the first image prompt. Then open Flow AI. Here choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt here and hit Generate. Here is how mine came out. Camera shown in a person hand. Exactly the image we want. Now add this image to prompt. Copy the second image prompt from GPT and paste it here. Then hit Generate. And look, our second image is ready, in which every part of the camera is shown differently. Now let's turn this into a video. Choose Create Video, then choose Frames to Video. Upload the camera image as frame 1 and the parts image as frame 2. Copy the video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Then hit Generate. And look, our video is ready. It looks same as the kind of video we want. Save it from here. And here is another one I had created using the same method. So that's how you can create these object assembly videos using free AI tools. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Ria Vron for more AI tutorials, and comment below which AI niche you want me to cover next.